So good day everyone. So by the way, my name is Roderick Joy B. Manlisik and I'm the PIP reporter, and I'm going to report about the continuation of other important persons and events in the history of probation. So first, let's talk about New Jersey. So New Jersey, the fourth state to pass a general probation law after the New England model in 1900. So, sila ang New Jersey ang ikaapat na state na nagpass sa general probation law. So, first, let's talk about what is general probation law. So, ang general probation kay naga-refers na siya sa community-based correction kung asa ang offender kay gina-release under supervision instead of serving time in prison. Pero naa na sila'y kailangan i-follow na certain general condition na ginahatag sa court or ginaset sa court. So, adlang pud dako na na-adapt sa New Jersey ang New England model. So, ang idea ni John Augustus kay na spread na siya sa uban pang mga state. So, include diya ang New Jersey. Sila na-adapt nila ang New England model. So, next, let's move on to New York. The fifth to provide for adult probation. So, din sa New York as the fifth state in 1901. So, gilegalize ang adult probation. So, gitagaan og authority ang court to place adult offender under supervision instead na isulod sa prisuhan. So, next, let's define what is adult probation. So, adult probation is a type of probation like community-based correction lang Japon siya na kanang ang adult na offender kay i-release into community under supervision instead of serving time in jail or kanang i-preso god. So next, in 1900, soon after his appointment as Secretary of the Prison Association of New York, Samuel